Welcome to Practical Solid. My name is Angelo Veltens and this is my video series about using Solid in practice. To start using Solid, you first need a pod. The good news is you can get one today. It's very easy, just follow me. Registering a Solid pod is very similar to creating an account on traditional services. Yet with Solid there's no central service, so this can be overwhelming at first. So to keep it simple, we will start today using solidcommunity.net. Solidcommunity.net is a community-driven Solid server, so while I would not trust it with my medical records, it is perfectly suitable to experiment with the technology. Okay, let's head to solidcommunity.net and get a new pod. We can just click the register to get a pod button up here. First of all, we have to choose a username. I will call me Practical Solid, of course. And as you see, this username will also be the basis of your pod URL. Like the username will be a subdomain of solidcommunity.net. And you will also get your first web ID, your globally unique identifier, which will identify you as a person on the Solid web. More to that later. So the next steps are quite similar to registering a traditional account. We just have to choose a password. I pre-generated one, I will choose here. And then you give yourself a name. In contrast to the username, this will be the human readable name that will be shown on your profile. So I will name myself Practical Solid. And then of course you have to also provide an email address. So in any case something happens, you can reset your password and get access to your pod. I will just fill in my email address here and then you can click the register button and you're done. Let's go. So here we are in our very own pod. As you can see, your username is being used as a subdomain and you have your very own space here. We still need to sign in, so let's just click this button and provide solidcommunity.net as our pod provider, as it is pre-selected here. And then we can just sign in using the regular credentials we provided during the registration. So this is our pod now, still empty, but this will change, I promise. And let's visit the profile, also not much in there yet, but I will show you during the next episodes how this can change. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you then. Bye bye.